Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to perform well in IELTS exam so that we can get our dream band score like 6, 7, 8, whatever. So different kind of categories have different kind of requirements. Some want 6, some 7, some 8, and some get banned in very first attempt and some struggle. In this video, I will share my own experience regarding various types of tips and tricks that will help you to get your dream band score in each module of IELTS. Along with that, I will also share with you some important resources, means very useful books for IELTS preparation for the beginners, for the intermediate and for the high level students. Those who want 7 or 8 band, what books are good for them, what mobile apps they should use, and those who are struggling to get 6, how they can uplift their score, how can they improve their word power, their grammar skills. I'm going to tell all about this in this video. So first of all, let's start from the beginners, those who are just about to start their IELTS preparation and they are nervous, they don't know much English, their command in English is weak. So they face many problems when they see Cambridge books, Cambridge 10, 11, 12, and after doing few tests, they give up and say that it's very difficult, we are not able to do this. For them, I have one book. This book is IELTS reading. This is for reading, and this is equally suitable for both academic and general training students. It's a very easy book. And very easily, simply you get the answers. You can have basic understanding of IELTS reading, and you can also learn about the format of questions, kind of questions, and how to find out their keywords, how to find out solution. The best thing that I like about this book is that at the end of this book, there is large vocabulary, large pool of vocabulary. All the difficult words that have been used in the reading passage, they are explained in the end pages with their meaning, definition and sentences. And the book is not very expensive. One can get this book from Amazon. Its name is Elegant IELTS Reading. It's Elegant IELTS Reading, and I suggest that all the beginners who are a bit nervous and weak in English, they should start their practice from this book. This is highly recommended by me. And along with that, after completing this book, the next one is IELTS on Track. I am not having that copy with me. IELTS on Track for both general training and academic is available in the market. One can buy from any store. The cost may be around 300 to 400, and that book contains 6 reading tests and I think 5 listening tests. Okay, after that, the students, academic students, for them, the best books for practice when their level improves, after that, they should switch to Cambridge books. And the number, they can start practice from number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Up to 16, the books are available on Amazon or also in the market, at bookstores, and you can also get the PDFs of these books. So I'm having a 14 here, 14 academic, and 11 number is there, 11 and 12 for general. So general students also prepare from the Cambridge books. They can also buy Cambridge 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and on 16 also available now in the market. And the 17, book number 17 is in pipeline, maybe soon available in the market. That these books, the Cambridge books, contain actual tests that held in different countries, and after that they make a collection of those tests. Every book contains 4 reading tests, 4 listening tests. And in India, we vastly use this book for preparation. Almost every coaching center has Cambridge books. So they are very, very useful for the students. Now, those who want to get 7 and 8 band or having a requirement 777, I suggest you that you should read. These are the bit heavy books. This is McGraw-Hill's Practice Test 5, and it's a bit expensive. And another is Official Cambridge English Official Cambridge Guide to IELTS, and it also contains 7 tests, 7 readings and 7 listenings. It contains all the ABC of IELTS, all the basic knowledge of different modules of IELTS, like reading type of questions, listening, and also a lot of vocabulary is there. Grammar exercises are there. So those who want higher band score and those who cannot afford to make any mistake in grammar or in vocabulary, for them Official Cambridge is the most suitable book I suggest. And after that, another is IELTS Upgrade 8. This book is officially given by the IDP earlier 4-5 years ago, when students used to fill the test, and it contains 8 tests, the highly recommended tests. They are very tough, and I suggest that those who want 7-8 band, they should use this book, Upgrade 8 IELTS. Okay, so along with this is all about reading, listening, writing. And what about essay writing? For essay writing, I suggest you 2 books. One is very simple book. This is for beginners, Essays and Letters. Essays are very useful for speaking. Even if you feel problems in ideas in speaking, you can use this book, because in this book there are simple essays like school time essays, college time essays, rainy day in winter, picnic, and personality based essays like Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Mahatma Gandhi, international personalities, and various situational essays are there. And along with that, you can also get letters and applications. This is useful for general training students. The cost may be around 100 rupees. Lot of vocabulary is there. You can enjoy very much while reading this book. So I don't know whether it is available on Amazon or not, but in my local area it's easily available. And the best book for IELTS writing is this one, and I have been using this book for last 12-13 years, since I started IELTS Institute and providing coaching. This is the Ultimate Guide to IELTS Writing, and this book is written by Pratesh Thakkar. This writer also has a book on speaking, Ultimate Guide to IELTS Speaking. You can buy both books, and the cost is around 250-60 rupees. I do not know exactly. This book I bought I think 2-3 years ago, and the cost is 240. This is extended version, and it contains a lot of essays, report writings, and letter writings, and also how to write high level writing structures, writing sentences. So it's a great book for your advantage. Okay, so IELTS reading does not improve your standard of English. So in order to improve your standard of English and have better understanding of English, you need to read some books which are other than IELTS. And for that, I recommend you buy this book, The Intelligent Investor. If you have some interest in economics, if you are some business minded person or belong to commerce stream, this is a great book on stock market, and also great book on improving English, and it's not expensive. 200 to 300 rupees you can buy easily from Amazon. Okay, and along with that, if you are interested in small stories, it's a Fitzery Readers, and this book is also useful for small children. Vocabulary, after that stories are there, again vocabulary and stories, and detailed explanation of difficult words, new words you can get out of this book. Improve your English at a very high level. And this is Robin Sharma's The Monk Who Sold His Safari. I suggest you that you should also read novels and other kind of books which are different from your IELTS. They will improve your overall personality, as well as enhance your vocabulary, understanding of English, and moreover these books are not very expensive. And then this book is written by Sadhguru. Sadhguru is a motivational speaker, a philosopher, and I also watch him on YouTube, and his English is excellent. The way he speaks, the way he tell you ideas about different concepts, different situations, and different problems that are prevailing in society, that is awesome, that is outstanding. I also watch 2-3 videos of this person every day, and it improves my knowledge about various issues. Along with that, also enhance my personality. So I suggest you that you should watch his videos on YouTube, Sadhguru, simply typing Sadhguru, and his English excellent. You can get 2 extra band. If you are at 5 and you want 6.5 or 7 band, watch his videos. And along with this, if you want to improve your vocabulary, then spoken English, written by Mr. Vikram Khanna. There is a vocabulary on laughter, vocabulary on money, vocabulary on social issues, vocabulary on weather, climatic conditions, food, health. Topic-wise vocabulary is there, and along with that also 3 forms of verbs, phrasal verbs, grammar. If you have problem in tenses, you will get different kind of information regarding tenses, like active, passive, conditional sentences, complex and compound sentences. All you get in that book. Okay, along with these books, I also suggest you certain mobile apps which are extremely useful in IELTS practice. If you are not able to get these books, no problem. These apps can serve the purpose, and among them the number 1 app which I also use frequently is IELTS Practice Band 9. This is a full-fledged complete package, contain all information related to IELTS, listening, reading, writing, speaking, grammar, tenses, phrases, idioms, phrasal verbs, and the daily updates, new IELTS cue cards, new IELTS writing tasks, and information about different kind of information about various IELTS tests that held in different countries and what questions appeared in the test, like essay writing, reading, and of course graphs and letter. Then next is you can use IELTS preparation from Cambly. This is another app that you can find very useful, and they also help you in speaking. In Cambly, you will get lots of trainers over there from different countries, and this is a paid app. You have to pay money over there, and they will help you a lot in IELTS preparation. Then IELTS exam preparation by Magoosh. This is a free app. It's also a great app, will serve you the best. IELTS preparation app by British Council. It is a British Council app controlled by British Council, and how to fill the test, different kind of modules, how to change the date, how to cancel the test, how to get the result, all information is there. Along with that, various videos on IELTS speaking. IELTS word power by British Council, IELTS vocab and preparation. So these are the applications that you can use along with your preparation from the books, and I hope that if you do use these resources, you will be able to enhance your performance. And the last thing I would like to say, that in IELTS exam, what you need, high standard of English. Until you don't have a high level of English, you will not be able to score well. So students who just run after tips and tricks and do not work actually on improving their English, they struggle a lot, and their IELTS preparation period also becomes longer, and they frequently appear in IELTS exam 2, 3, 4 times. So what I want to suggest you, that in the end, improve your English, improve your word power, increase your vocabulary. Grammar you can learn by just 2 or 3 weeks, but vocabulary requires a long time. So when you do IELTS practice, reading tests, so when you solve your reading tests, be slow, try to understand and note down the difficult words, academic words, and make your own dictionary by noting down those words in the copy, and frequently go through them, practicing them, speaking them. Once you will be able to improve your academic vocabulary, your all modules, all departments like reading, writing, listening, speaking, will get uplifted. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that this video will be of great advantage for you. Write me in the comment box that your views about this video. Thank you very much.